Hi, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's meditation, we will be working on the betrayal wound. If you would, this would be a powerful multidimensional meditation designed to help you overcome the fear of betrayal and release the need for control. If you're feeling weighed down by mistrust or constantly trying to control your surroundings, this meditation will guide you through a deep healing process using breathwork, EFT tapping, and visualization. Even if you can't watch the whole thing right now, make sure to come back when you can give yourself time to fully immerse. This is your chance to free yourself from your past and step into a life of trust, peace, and empowerment. Now, let us begin. If you would, find a comfortable place where you will be undisturbed, either seated or lying down, and begin to bring your attention inward, noticing your breath. As you inhale, feel the air filling your lungs, and as you exhale, feel yourself releasing tension and stress from your body. With each breath, allow yourself to arrive fully into this moment. So, if you would, let us begin. Breathing in deep through the nose, inflating the belly, holding for just 2 seconds, and then release through the mouth. Slow and controlled is the name of the game. Let us breathe back in, hold for 2 seconds, and gently release that tension. Breathe in through the nose, deep into the belly. Hold for 2 seconds and breathe out slow and controlled through the mouth. Let us begin by grounding and using our root lock, the Mula Bandha. On your next inhalation, engage the root lock. So take a deep breath in, contract. Gently contract your pelvic muscles, drawing the energy upward from the base of your spine. Hold this contraction as you breathe naturally for a few minutes. As you exhale, release the contraction, feeling grounded and centered. Let's breathe out. Very good. Inhale, engage the root lock. Hold it. Exhale, release and relax. Inhale, engage the root lock. Exhale, release and relax. Now we're going to do this a few more times, but I just want you to, as you engage this root lock, visualize this energy rising from your root chakra, grounding you into safety and stability so that you know that you are protected and supported by the earth beneath you. Deep breath in, engage that root lock, hold it, squeeze, squeeze, relax, and release. 2 more times, breathing in, engaging that root lock, squeeze, 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 and release and relax. One more time. It's always a charm. Breathe in, engage that root lock, hold, squeeze, and relax and breathe out. Now, it is time to do the work we came here to do. It's about acknowledging the fear of betrayal. Let us take a deep breath in and hold for a moment and bring to awareness any fear or betrayal that resides within you. Allow your body to guide you as to where this fear might be stored. For some of us, it's our heart, our stomach, or our throat. Wherever you feel that tightening, breathe out. Breathe in again. Really take note When you feel afraid, when you're worried about something, where do you feel it? Is it your gut? Is it your throat? Is it your chest? Wherever it is in your body, wherever you store this tension, please acknowledge where that is now and breathe out. Now, I'd like you to take a hand and gently place it over this area. So please breathe in and silently say, I acknowledge you. I see you. You have tried to protect me. Breathe out. Take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, soften this space, allowing yourself to feel fully whatever emotions arise. We're simply bringing this area into our attention. We're acknowledging this part of our body. Breathe in, sending love, knowing that it has tried to protect us, whether it's our gut, whether it's our throat that clenches, whether it's our chest that feels tight. Acknowledge this area and send it love and appreciation. Breathe out. All right. Now that it's come to mind, we're going to work on EFT tapping. For those of you unfamiliar, simply follow along. I will tell you where to tap. So this is called EFT tapping, and we just gently tap with our fingertips following the points while I repeat some affirmations. Now, please find the side of your hand, the karate chop point, and gently start tapping here while saying after me, even though I have this fear of betrayal, I deeply and completely accept myself. Do not stop tapping on the hands. Even though I have this fear of betrayal, I gently and deeply, completely accept myself. Even though I have this fear of betrayal, I deeply and completely accept myself. Very good. Now gently take that hand and place it on the top of the head and gently tap on the crown. I release the fear of betrayal. I release the fear of betrayal. Keep tapping. I release the fear of betrayal. Now gently lower your hand to your eyebrow, the start of the brow above the nose. Gently tap here. I no longer need to control others or situations. I no longer need to control others or situations. Gently tap. I no longer need to control others or situations. Very good. Now moving that hand gently to the side of the eye, the temple area. Gently tap on this area. I trust myself and the process of life. I trust myself and the process of life. Gently tapping, I trust myself and the process of life. Now we're moving to below the cheekbone under the eye. Gently tap here. I am safe even when I am vulnerable. I am safe even when I am vulnerable. I am safe even when I am vulnerable. Gently move your hand under the nose and tap here. I let go of the need to wear the mask of control. I let go of the need to wear the mask of control. Keep tapping. I let go of the need to wear the mask of control. Now lower your hand to your chin point below the lower lip and start tapping gently with your fingers. I trust my inner wisdom to guide me. I trust my inner wisdom to guide me. I trust my inner wisdom to guide me. Now, simply bring back the hand to the collarbone, just below the collarbone, and start tapping. I release all fear from my mind, body, and heart. I release all fear from my mind, body, and heart. I release all fear from my mind, body, and heart. Now, the side of the body about 4 inches below the armpit, under the arm, start tapping here. I am worthy of love and healthy relationships. I am worthy of love and healthy relationships. I am worthy of love and healthy relationships. Returning to the top of the head, the crown, I choose peace, trust, and freedom. I choose peace, trust, and freedom. I choose peace, trust, and freedom. Perfect, you guys. We've just concluded our EFT portion of this meditation. Now let us come back to the visualization portion. Visualize a mask in your hands, if you would. Keeping your eyes closed, allow yourself to hold this mask in your hand. This represents your need to control things. Hold it for a moment. Feel its weight, and then with gratitude, set it down. See it dissolving into the earth as the earth absorbs it and transforms it into light. Allow this to be recycled. And in your mind's eye, or aloud or silently, say with me, I release the need to control. I trust in the flow of life. I am safe and free. Take a deep breath in, feeling that lightness that comes with releasing this burden. And as you exhale with a sigh, allow that sense of relief and openness. Take a breath in, hold root lock. I release the need to control. Release and exhale with a sigh. Breathing in, hold and root lock. I trust in the flow of life. Release and breathe out. Breathing in, hold and root lock. I am safe and free. Breathing out. Very good. As you return to the Mula Bandha, and as you inhale and engage the root lock, draw energy from the earth and your root chakra upwards towards your spine. As you hold your breath, silently say, I trust in the process of life. I am grounding in peace. Ready? Breathing in, engaging that root lock. I trust the process of life. I am grounded in peace. Relax and breathe out. Remember that as you exhale, you release the root lock and imagine trust flowing through your body, calming your mind and spirit. Let's do it again. Deep breath in, engaging that root lock. I trust the process of life. I am grounded in peace. Now release. Allow that calming sensation to take over your mind and spirit. Breathing in one more time. Breathe in. Engaging that root lock. I trust the process of life. I am grounded in peace. Breathe out. Very good. Continue to breathe evenly in and out as you visualize a golden light surrounding your body. This light is the energy of trust, safety, and peace. See it filling you with a deep sense of relaxation and ease. With each breath, the light becomes brighter and stronger, dissolving any remaining fear. So breathe in the light. See that light expanding, and just like fire takes off with oxygen, breathe that golden light, give it life. Breathe out. Breathing in the golden light, holding it steady, expanding it, and with your breath, expanding it more. Breathing in, holding. I am open to trusting others. Breathing out, relaxing in that trust. Breathing in, I am safe in vulnerability. Breathing in that safety. Now holding, breathing out. Breathing in, I am worthy of love and healthy relationships. And then breathe out, relaxing. Let this visualization fill you with warmth and confidence, knowing you can navigate life with trust instead of fear. Place your hands over your heart. Feel your heart beat strong as you continue to breathe in a steady pattern. In through the nose, evenly out through the mouth. Send gratitude for your heart as it beats without your awareness. In and out. Breathing in, sending love. Breathing out. Take a moment to acknowledge the work you've done in this meditation. Really express gratitude for your healing. Let us breathe in. Thank you. I release fear. I trust in the flow of life. Breathe out. Breathing in. I am free from the need to control. I embrace love and trust. Breathe out. Really allow these words and these affirmations to sink deeply into your subconscious. Breathing in gratitude and trust, releasing fear. Breathing in love and trust and releasing the need to control. Breathing in gratitude and trust. Breathing out the need to control. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body and the room around you. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing with you the lightness and freedom you've cultivated during this meditation. Know that you can return to this practice whenever you feel the need to release control and reconnect with trust. Carry this newfound trust and peace with you throughout your day. Thank you for allowing me to guide you today. And if you like these and other meditations, please feel free to like and comment. Subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for new meditations. Thank you so much. Namaste.